Hey guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and this is a short video. Today we are on final year students. If you are here to check your WAEC result, okay, your WASSCE result, now this video is for you. But you should know these are the requirements. You should know your candidate number. That's the number which is being given to you when you reach your final year and was about to write your examination. The WAEC is, the West African, kind of examination that we write in West Africa here, to be promoted to the university. So if you feel, it's up to you. If you pass, voila, c'est pour toi. That's just by the way. So you need your, candidate number 1. Then you have to buy the WAEC checker. Okay, that's what you use to check your result online. And finally, you should just have access to the internet. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Welcome back, guys. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you will be here with us, welcome back. As I said, always I get 50 megabyte of bundle using Opera Mini, so you can also download one and start using. Yeah, so now in this video I'm going to show you how to check your WAEC result. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to hit, the we are okay. Can you see? I just got my 50 megabyte of free data. Browse and chill with up to 1.5 gig free browsing every month. Let's go. It gonna make sense. So now, how we're going to check our WAEC result? Let's type WAEC Ghana, WAEC results. There you hit it up. Okay, www.waecdirect.org. So you're gonna tap on it. Voila, now it has taken us to this interface. Here's where we are going to do the magic. Okay, so if you are student who just completed his WASSCE examination and you want to check your result, this is where you come. But before coming here, you have to go and buy your WAEC checker or your result checker. Yeah, WAEC result checker. Then after you've gotten that WAEC result checker, what you have to do next is, there's a lot of there's a lot of informations to be filled in this gap. You can see examination number. That's before writing the exams, your papers number. Each and everyone will have his exams number, yeah, personally, and that number represents you in everything. So now you type your number inside, and where it is written examination year, which year did you complete? Okay, so you just put it in. If it is 2020, it's still 2020 there. If it is not 2020, maybe 2019, or let's say 2016, then you just hit on 2016. Then examination, is it a private, are you a private candidate or school candidate result? If you're not a private candidate, just hit a school candidate. Okay, then the pin, you just submit the pin on the result checker, then your serial number on the result checker, then you submit. So if you are confused, beneath it there is something like a menu that you can read, and it will direct you. Enter your 10-digit WAEC examination number. That's the first thing that I told you. This is your 7-digit center number followed by your 3-digit candidate number. Example, and they show you how it works. And if you come beneath it, for example, yeah, you put 1999. Maybe if it is 1999 that you wrote your exams, enter your 8-digit WAEC examination number. 8-digit WAEC examination number. Then after that, this is your 5-digit center number followed by your 3-digit candidate number. And an example how it will show. Then 2, enter the 4-digit of your examination year. Which year did you complete? Just put it in the second box. Then the third one, select the type of examination. Is it a private candidate or just what we did here, school candidate result? It's not a private candidate, but if you're a private candidate too, you can hit it up because this like information will be given to you too. Then select the examination type, then enter the e-pin voucher number. After hitting up the result checker, you will get a pin, and with that you just manipulate the pin inside and you are good to go. Enter the personal identification number on your e-pin. Okay, and now click submit and wait for the result window to show up. So I think this kind of makes sense, and I think this video too is educative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. I'm still your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.